Gaga Joy's cooking. Today we're going to be doing something that's seasonal. This time of year, blackberries are coming in, and I guess the first thing I make with blackberries is blackberry dumplings, and that's what we're going to make today. They're so simple; it makes a wonderful dessert, quick dessert, and with very little mess. I put 4 cups of water in here, and we'll bring it to a boil. And actually this recipe, I'm doing a small recipe. I'm using 4 cups of blackberries, the original recipe calls for 2 cups of sugar. Well, there's no way I'm going to put 2 cups of sugar in here. So I put 3/4 cup. Now I want the sugar to melt before we put our blackberries in, because that way you don't have to stir it a lot, and your blackberries tend to, keep it formed a little bit better. Which they don't have to, but it's good if they do. And then we'll do our dumplings pretty soon. When I was growing up, my brother picked blackberries for 50 cents a gallon. Now blackberries are $30 to $35 a gallon. That's unbelievable. Of course, that's been 60 years ago, so I guess things tend to go up. I do wash my blackberries. I always put them in a pan of cold water, put my blackberries in it, let it sit for about 5 minutes so that anything that's on them, little bugs or anything, comes off. And it works out wonderful that way. So I've got my water coming to a boil. This was just an old-timey recipe my mom had. Now I'm making what I consider a small batch. If you want to make a big one, just go ahead and, up your recipe the way you want to. I've never made dumplings with any other fruit. I guess you could do it with strawberry, probably raspberry. I do have a special raspberry. My mom always loved blackberry jam and jellies. And of course, I lived on a farm, and before my dad would go, about 7 o'clock in the mornings, he would put all the containers in the back of the truck, take us to the blackberry field, and we would pick till we got so tired. Believe me, it was a lot of blackberries. And then at lunch, he would come and take them and pick them up for Mom. My mother, she would always go home. We would clean them, and she started canning them. I do well to go to the grocery store and buy them. These are. But I could never pick them and go home and do it. I just don't have that kind of strength. So I'm going to put my blackberries in here now. And you see, they sort of come at the right amount. Okay, I'm going to bring them up to a boil before I put my dumplings in. Okay, my water's come to a boil. Now we're going to do the dumplings. I just use Bisquick. I'm using the Bisquick biscuits, which is my choice. There's other ways to make dumplings, but make them your way. It's 2 cups of Bisquick, 2/3 cup of milk, and about a tablespoon of oil. Now while these dumplings are boiling, I'm going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch and just enough water for it to mix it. It just makes your water and juice thicker, and that way your dumplings won't be so dense, because they don't absorb a lot of the liquid. actually these are drop biscuits on your Bisquick. And they work out perfect. I don't think I've ever used anything else. Of course, my mom could make biscuits from scratch, so it was easy for her. Okay, tune it down a little bit. Alrighty. I just, you probably could use a scoop, but I think this is good. I've got them so that they, it comes back up to a hard boil. Yeah. Because you want your dumplings to come to the top before you put your lid on. Starting to lick my finger of dough. Okay. Okay, there they go. Now what I do is I put my lid, after they come to the top, and they're boiling real good, I put my lid on. Make sure they're boiling real good. Because I don't want to mash the blackberries. If I don't have to. Yeah, I think I am. And there you go. I guess that's my lid. I don't, maybe it's not. Well, anyway, it takes about 12 minutes to let them cook for the dumplings to rise. Well, we've been going 12 minutes. Perfection. Those just look wonderful. Can you see them? See, and your blackberries stayed a little, has a little bit of form to them, which I love. Keep them hot, but I don't think I put it back in there. See, they're fluffy. They're not real dense. That's as good as you're going to get. I mean, anything you're going to eat for the next long while. That 3/4 cup of sugar, to me, is perfection. I don't know why. Well, a lot of people do like that amount of sugar in it. I just don't. So it's 3/4 cup of sugar, and they're easy to make. It took, what, maybe, it took a half an hour to make everything, and a whole pot at that. So they're good with ice cream. I've got chocolate ice cream, but no vanilla ice cream. So I think I'll wait for the vanilla this evening. Take care of yourself. Make you some Blackberry dumplings. If you don't, you're missing out this spring. See you soon. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. And thank God every day. I thank God every day for all the joy in my life. My children, my friends, my home, and my church. So be happy. And I'll see you soon.